The main difference between soft computing and hard computing is their approach to solving complex problems. 1. Hard computing. Hard computing uses traditional mathematical methods to solve problems, such as algorithms and mathematical models. It is based on deterministic and precise calculations and is ideal for solving problems that have well-defined mathematical solutions. 2. Soft computing. Soft computing, on the other hand, uses techniques such as fuzzy logic, neural networks, genetic algorithms, and other heuristic methods to solve problems. It is based on the idea of approximation and is ideal for solving problems that are difficult or impossible to solve exactly. In summary, hard computing is more precise and relies on mathematical models, while soft computing is more flexible and relies on approximate solutions. Soft computing could be a computing model evolved to resolve the nonlinear issues that involve unsure, imprecise, and approximate solutions of a tangle. These sorts of issues Square Measure thought of as real-life issues wherever the human-like intelligence is needed to resolve it. Hard computing is the ancient approach employed in computing that desires associate in nursing accurately declared analytical model. The outcome of hard computing approach is a warranted, settled, correct result and defines definite management actions employing a mathematical model or algorithmic rule. It deals with binary and crisp logic that need the precise input file consecutive. Hard computing isn't capable of finding the real-world problem's solution. Difference between soft computing and hard computing. S.No. Soft computing. Hard computing. 1. Soft computing is liberal of inexactness, uncertainty, partial truth and approximation. Hard computing needs a exactly state analytic model. 2. Soft computing relies on formal logic and probabilistic reasoning. Hard computing relies on binary logic and crisp system. 3. Soft computing has the features of approximation and dispositionality. Hard computing has the features of exactitude, precision, and categoricity. 4. Soft computing is stochastic in nature. Hard computing is deterministic in nature. 5. Soft computing works on ambiguous and noisy data. Hard computing works on exact data. 6. Soft computing can perform parallel computations. Hard computing performs sequential computations. 7. Soft computing produces approximate results. Hard computing produces precise results. 8. Soft computing will emerge its own programs. Hard computing requires programs to be written. 9. Soft computing incorporates randomness. Hard computing is settled. 10. Soft computing will use multivalued logic. Hard computing uses two-valued logic.